We made it!
Yes, I will let you know. But
We're
not right now.
Not right now, Grandma. Sorry.
Yeah. From the sky and land on me.
Well, I hope not.
Because I drew an X.
Well, I got that on camera.
I watch the coyote all the time.
Chris Douglas here is WKNDR Collective. We are in Estes Park, and my mom and I wanted to go to Rocky Mountain National Park. However, with COVID, there are restrictions that only allow you to have 2-hour entry passes from like 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. So we wanted to go to Rocky Mountain for the week, but I guess we're going to explore Estes and see what's out here, and then also vlog for you guys what to do in case you made the same mistake we did. So, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. 3, 2, let's go. All right, where are we going first?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Where are we going first?
I have no idea. Let's see.
We have trails, or we can go into town and see if anybody can give us some ideas.
Let's go trails.
On the run from my given disaster.
All right, so here's the signs we were talking about. We actually just went to go hike this trail. Oh. Wah, wah, wah.
Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on
All right, where are we going now?
Loveland is our next stop.
Yeah, and we might have scored some passes to Rocky Mountain tomorrow.
Yeah, we did. Sweet.
Yeah, so
the universe is working for us.
Yes, exactly.
It knows we need a break.
We got some dope drone shots.
Those were awesome.
Yeah.
Some cool shit here.
What you guys see these drone shots? I'm shooting D-Log, not too familiar with it, not the best time to practice, but I got some reps in last night, but worst case scenario is today's practice shots, so we'll see.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
We're still working on making it to Loveland.
Yes, we are.
Had another stop there.
At Big Thompson River, I believe is what it's called.
Oh, cool. Yeah, so there's this dope canyon. See if I can get some shots while we're driving. Oh, yeah, so I got all this on a drone, which you'll probably see in about, I don't know, 5 seconds after this video plays. God, that would have been cool to keep the drone really low, but that made me nervous.
Too much turbulence.
Not only that, you got wind, you got rocks, you got no room for mistakes. Yeah, I'll take what I get from that. We'll see what it looks like. Boom.
We are at Devil's Backbone, and we are going to go explore that outside of Loveland. The city of Loveland was just a city.
Yeah,
so we're back to nature again.
Back to nature. This place is beautiful. It was rated 4.8 stars and is about, what would you say, 45 minutes outside of Estes? 45 minutes? I don't know. I took a screenshot on my phone of 34 Highway and where we drove to outside of Estes to show y'all where you can go. So here's one of those spots.
No.
Mom just said, what could possibly go wrong?
Right?
Okay. How about what could go right? So we think we're going to the right direction to Devil's Backbone, but I don't think we know for sure. GPS says it's this way and we parked over where it said it was here, so.
Pretty damn impressive.
All right, just for some clarification, this is called Wild Loop in Devil's Backbone? Okay, so how's your lungs feeling?
I'm a little tired right now, but by God, we're going up there.
Yeah, we're almost there, I think. It's at a quarter of a mile. Woo!
Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly,
All right, so now we're going up to the Morrison Trail, right outside of Devil's Backbone Park. Ta-da!
Oh, cool. I see the sign now. Let's go.
One look and I breathe.
Whew. So this is the Morrison Trail. This was pretty cool. Come on, get into contenting. All done, now on the next leg of the adventure.
After a nice little break and a beer.
Beer and a break.
Cheers.
So I started to go up a trail and was like, yeah, it's gonna rain. Let's just walk in and see what happens. So I thought, hell, I'm gonna grab my bag. We're going to the Seaman Reservoir now. Let's see what happens. So look at all this. Ooh. It's supposed to be an easy hike though. Even the sign says easy, so we'll take it for what it's worth. Look at that. Whew. Look what I found along the way too. What are you doing?
I'm going this way.
Oh. Did you just say easy quarter mile my ass?
Yes, I did.
I don't think it's that bad. You are wearing flip-flops, so we might not be seeing the lake. It might be that way. GPS is a monster out here. Oh well. Still seeing cool shit. Just to let y'all know, this is the way to the reservoir behind this gate. Actually, if you do read this sign over here, it does say 1 mile that way. Think we're gonna find it this time?
Yes, we are. 1 mile that way.
Yeah, 1 mile, let's go. And now, this is the way. And this is a long walk back here. A mile, to be exact. But the you can actually kind of see the dam and stuff, so we know we're on the right direction this time.
I know we're acting stupid.